Hello guys, hope you all are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very easy craft with some simple equipments. In this video I'm going to make a paper watermelon fans. It's very simple to make and you can make it in a short time. Note one thing that I'm making the fan in a watermelon summer style. You can make this craft with any other style, or if you want to not design it at all, that's not a problem either. So let's get started. At first, you need an A4 size sheet. It can be of any color of your choice. Now you need two green strips of paper. Glue it on the long edges of the red paper. Follow the same steps and glue on two white strips of paper. Now set that aside and take another paper which is half of the size of an A4 paper. Follow the same steps again and glue on green and white strips of paper on the sides. Set this paper aside and bring the first one. Now take 1 centimeter on both sides and make a fold. Continue to make folds like this till you reach the end. Unfold the paper and draw the watermelon seeds. Do the same thing with the other paper. Now, glue both of them together. Fold everything together and staple in the middle. Then glue both sides together. After doing this step, it should kind of look like this. Now you need two sticks. Glue them on the bottom side. Let it dry for 5 minutes. It's done. I really like how it turned out. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss my next videos. Bye bye.